I want a coffee, please. I want a latte. 근데 이거는 조금 무례하게 들을 수 있습니다. It sounds a little bit bossy. 원어민들이 자주 하는 표현은 I'd like a latte, please. Could I get a coffee? 아니면 I'll have a latte. 특히 누구 물어볼 때 what would you like to drink? I'll have 자주 나와요. 근데 뭔가 시킬 때, 진짜 카페에 있을 때 I'd like. It's more common. So when you're in the cafe, you can say, I'd like an Americano, please. But if your coworker asks you, hey, what kind of coffee would you like? You can say, I'll have an Americano.